Good morning, everybody. Respected Chairman Bishop Namalali Khan, our PTA President K.M. Bashir sir, Vice Principal Maya Sandeep Madam, KG Coordinator Madam Vinoda, and all other KG teachers, beloved my KG parents and dear students. This is a wonderful or historical moments of the day. We can read the next display in the Darul Aman English medium. Every year we are conducting like this graduation ceremony after the complete of the UKG. I thought you parents are very vigilant about your children, because we are analyzing all the classes and we are hearing from your words, otherwise direct or indirect or WhatsApp groups. We are checking always. As a principal, I am giving the instruction to all the teachers. Whatever occur into the groups or direct information from the parents, it's a very normal situation. Every people have right for to tell your opinion, and with the development of your child is very important. As per the word of our PTA President, and as you know, and we are doing the new ideology for the learning process in our school. Not only the syllabus, but also the curriculum, and 3.5, they will be appointed here the child and will be looked after every time. How the mother caring into their house like this, in our dedicated teachers, every nook and corner they are following them. Thank you, teachers. I wanted to tell very important things. Nowadays, the CBSE system is entirely going through more changes. So that is why we also, in our school, also doing behind it. This year,